Hey, how's it going? My name is Brandon Drake, functional nutrition coach at heartfulfoods.com and also too a therapeutic chef. And one thing I want to quickly talk about is gluten. So, when you consume gluten, it creates tears in your small intestines. However, after 3 to 5 days, your body will start repairing those tears, and those tears is defined as leaky gut. So every 3 to 5 days, whenever you eat gluten, it repairs itself. And like I said, gluten is defined as wheat, rye, and barley. However, after a certain amount of years, it could be 1 years, 2 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, your gut or your intestines will decide not to repair itself anymore. So when it doesn't repair the leakiness in the gut, after so many insults of you consuming gluten, you will get something called a loss of oral tolerance. This means the next time you consume gluten, your immune system will start attacking the undigested food particles in the gluten that get into the bloodstream, which creates inflammation. And inflammation is defined as heat, redness, swelling, and pain. So essentially, with leaky gut, these undigested food particles get through your leaky gut into your bloodstream, causing your immune system to attack it, creating inflammation. This is just a summary, quick overview of what happens with leaky gut, also referred to as intestinal hyperpermeability or pathogenic intestinal hyperpermeability. And if you consistently eat these foods while you have this particular food, in this case gluten, while you have a leaky gut, it'll result in different unwanted symptoms, dysfunction within your tissues and within your organs, and possibly lead to disease. And this disease will manifest itself into different diseases depending on what your genetic predisposition is. So, again, this is just one quick example of how leaky gut can be caused. And also, too, a lot of people will say, well, I eat gluten and I'm fine. Well, yes, you are fine. However, it's the accumulation of the insults that are happening to your intestines that's going to cause this dysfunction over the years of time of consuming this inflammatory ingredient. And it's also scientifically proven that no matter what, you will get tears in your gut each time you eat gluten, amongst many other different ingredients. And in my next videos, I'll talk about all the different ingredients that can cause leaky gut. And eventually down the line, I'll talk about some of the things that you could do to help heal the leaky gut so you could continue having a fully functional, healthy life. Thank you very much. My name is Brandon Drake. If you want to contact me, you could go to heartfulfoods.com, fill out my contact form. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.